Okay, this end was a little late with the applause, guys. I'm telling you, we got to work it. Otherwise, Matt's not going to burn the rubber off that Harley. We want to see those tires down to the cords. Kids, are you having fun yet? Well, this is nothing. Let's amp it up. Here we go, Billy and John. Let him know you like it. Otherwise, he's not going to make another pass, you guys. Come on, we don't want the TV newscast applause. We want the real stuff. Yeah, baby, wicked it up. Billy and John, 5th Gear Motorsports. I was going to say don't hurt the photographer, but he's not going to listen to me anyway, as you guys know. Matt Bush, here we go. Wheels in the air like he truly does care. 1200 cc's, a Harley Sportster. Okay, he's working that sidewall, guys. Let him know you're enjoying it. Burn it down, Matt. Burn it, burn it. Oh, don't hit the Hondas, though. Don't hit the Hondas. And Matt was mentioning earlier, even with that big pie cutter sprocket, you can still get 80 miles an hour out of that. Jackson Chater waiting his turn as Bill Miller comes down here on that Triumph 675. Americanizing our parking lot tonight. Wild Bill Miller out of Bellingham putting on a show. Jackson Chater, our soft-spoken wheelie man. Here we go. Lofting his ninja up on the tank. Bump dropping, comes down. Spinning it around, right down. How low can you go, Jackson Chater? Kawasaki taking a fifth on a thrashing, but again, it's early days. These guys want some noise, otherwise they're not going to play with the A game. Oh, that sounded expensive. Any Harley mechanics out here? And up we go. And again, anybody that rides knows that that is not a light motorcycle. Getting it up like it's a piece of cake. All kinds of Harley torque in action. Jackson nice and smooth and controlled, slowing it right down, turning it around, drops it. Now he'll wick it around. Sticking up through the gears, going down to the south end of the parking lot as Wild Bill Miller comes back at us. Slowing it down, dropping it down. Anybody want to see some tire smoke out of the Triumph? Oh, I don't think he heard enough applause. He's saving it for the next lap. And I know I drone on about that, guys, but they told me work the crowd, so I'm trying my best here. And short of giving you money, this is all I got, a microphone. Bill Hitchon, come on, do something, impress these people. Don't run out of gas, though. Oh, here we go. Bill Hitchon trying to slow those wheelies down. Small circle wheelie, feet on the pegs. Inside, outside, trying to drag that peg. He gets it right around up on the sidewall of that tire. Again, we want to see cords on that thing when he's done. Jackson weaving across the parking lot again. Got up his sleeve, up on the tank. How about no hands? Anybody liking that? Kids, do not try this at home. Wild Bill Hitchon, there we go. AKA Joey Chitwood for any of those of us in the parking lot that go back that long. Let them know you're liking it, guys. Work it. Work it. Come on, Billy, let's see some smoke. Let's see some smoke. That wasn't bad, but I'm thinking we can still get more out of him. Matt Bush pushing that bike around off the pegs. Is he going to stay with 1 foot on or 1 foot off? Oh yeah, the sweet smell of burnt rubber. I'm telling you, bottle it, sell it. Ladies, you'll make a fortune. Oh yeah, see, now he's working, you guys. Now the next time he comes around, I bet he's got... Yes, my medical dental's paid up, but I'm still not taking any chances with this man. And here we go into first gear, and up we go, right up on the back. So Billy, one of his signature moves, here we go. So sensory overload. We got Bill Hitchon doing his signature pirouette on the back bumper. Matt Bush doing a burnout. Bill Miller, what do you got in store for these guys? Let them see something. Jackson Chater again just playing at the far end, trying to see how slow he can go. Nose up. Matt Bush again. All that Harley oil puddling up in that back cylinder. Gets it down soon enough to save the mains. Jackson having fun all over here by himself. Let you guys know. If he hears you over here, he'll bring the outside. Billy mixing it up a little bit. Now I'm hearing more rev limiter. This is what we want to see. Oh yeah! Drifting it across the full breadth of the parking lot. Bill Miller working his way right towards the crowd, standing up our Bellingham rider. And Bill Hitchon, I'm almost thinking he figures you guys have enjoyed enough of the show. Anybody want to see any more? Still got 5 minutes left in you. Matt, they're having fun. They want 5 more minutes. You guys, you want to see some more acts? Jackson, come on, we need to see a stoppie out here. We need to see a stoppie. Okay, bring it up. He can't hear you guys, that's why he's over on this side. He wants to be on the west side. You got to get him to bring it across. Jackson, get over there, show him that ninja.